First, we have Google AI Studio that is bringing the photo editing capability with just prompting, and then X or Twitter brings the same feature via Grok, and you can basically edit a picture by just sending a message to AI. But when it comes to editing a picture, like maybe you want to put your face into a different body, or maybe your photo doing something that is different, it's a bit more difficult. Right now, I think the most popular option is by using file.ai, where you can train your own photo, but you have to be ready for paying, I think, at least $5 per training, and even that is probably not enough if you want to get something that is very accurate. But the Chinese company ByteDance just released something called Infinite Use. So this is a model that allows you to put your photo to do something else. For example, there are some photos, like there's this photo of a woman, and this is a normal photo, but you can ask AI to make her do something else. Look, you can make her to be in a different location, or wear something different, or doing a different activity. So this is quite interesting because you can use this tool for free. It is unlike, a lot of AI tools out there where you have to pay to be able to access the feature to put yourself into a different environment. But this tool is completely free, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to navigate to this page on Hugging Face, and I do recommend to sign up. It is completely free, and this is actually quite a popular place to test various AI tools. I'm going to put the link in the video description, but basically this is the page that you have to visit. And this is the tool that was provided by ByteDance, and this is called Infinite Use. It is using the Flux model, and in case you didn't know, it is actually one of the best, and perhaps still the best AI model for generating images. At least in some cases, it's still the best. And the way you use it is you have to prepare your own photo, and you can just prepare one photo. You could have multiple, but one image is enough, and that's what I like from this tool. So I'm going to click on this button, and I have this photo that I actually created using AI, using the AI called Reef. And if you want to know how you can create a free and realistic AI image for free, then you can use Reef, and I'm going to put the link in the video description. Okay, this is the photo, and I do recommend to enable Realism LoRa. This will make your photo a bit more realistic. You can also enable Anti-Blur LoRa if you want. And then for the model version, there are two options here, and you have to know the difference between Sim Stage 1 and AS Stage 2. So this option means that it will focus on creating aesthetic and pleasing result, while this option means it will prioritize the performance to make sure that the facial feature to be as accurate as the original picture as possible. I think the second option is definitely a lot better. And after that, you can send a prompt to AI. In this case, I want to put her into a stage. So she's going to be singing or maybe playing guitar in a stage in a concert. So the prompt goes something like this: singing or maybe playing a guitar in a concert. And there you go. And after that, you can click the generate button and wait until it finishes. So this is Hugging Face. You can use some GPU or server power, but given that you're using free account, usually that means you have to wait for quite some time to be able to have access for a GPU. But if you're not really needed, or if you just want to create or test this AI, then I think waiting for about 1 or 2 minutes is perfectly okay. Now, I'm not going to force you to wait. I'm going to just skip forward until AI has finished creating the picture. Alright, so the picture has been created, and this is the result. So what do you think about it? I don't think this is exactly similar to this person. I mean, it's a bit different, just a bit different. But given that you can provide just one picture for training, I think it is pretty good. It is respectable. And if you want to try something else, you can always remove this prompt and then try to generate a different picture. But that's basically the step-by-step process that you can follow. So if you want to use it, again, you can check the link in the video description. And if you feel like this video is useful, or if you want to see more AI tools that you could use right away, then please consider subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you around.